Breaking, a United States District Court in Colombia has ordered the Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) and Drug Enforcement Administration to release records relating to the criminal investigation of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu over alleged drug trafficking. Welcome to Nigeria, where thieves are celebrated. Welcome to Nigeria, where evil is celebrated. Welcome to Nigeria, where merit is inexistent. It is well. If not that Nigeria as a country has been engulfed by the siege of corruption and political nefariousness. There's no way Mr. Tinubu should for any reason find his way to the seat of power, because he's got amazing unclean records that in any court of law should disqualify him as a leader of that cadre, as a president of our country. According to Premium Times, Judge Barry Howell of the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia handed down the order on Tuesday, rejecting the government agency's attempt to withhold documents under the so-called global response, or policy allowing agencies to refuse to confirm or deny the existence of records. This is stemming from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's purported narcotics trafficking investigation in the 1990s. The case was initiated by Aaron Greenspan, an American transparency advocate and founder of Plainsight.org, who filed a lawsuit in June 2023 after submitting 12 FOIA requests to various U.S. law enforcement and intelligence agencies. This request sought details of a federal investigation into heroin trafficking network allegedly involving Tinubu and others, including Abiodun Abele, Maurice Akonde, and Lee Andrew Edwards. Greenspan's FOIA requests were earlier denied by the FBI, DEA, Internal Revenue Service, IRS, Department of State Executive Officer for U.S. Attorneys, EOUSA, and Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, all of which invoked global responses. He also cited a verified complaint filed by the U.S. Department of Justice in 1993, seeking the forfeiture of $460,000 in funds linked to Bola Tinubu, which the U.S. government alleged were proceeds of drug trafficking. The court document included the affidavit by Kevin Motz, a special agent with the IRS at the time, who detailed the activities of heroin ring operating in the Chicago area. The affidavit indicated that Tinubu was being investigated in connection with financial transactions and that allegedly laundered proceeds from narcotics trafficking. There's probable cause to believe that funds in certain bank accounts controlled by Bola Tinubu were involved in financial transactions in violation of U.S. laws and represent proceeds of drug trafficking, Moss stated in his sworn affidavit. The same affidavit tied Tinubu to Maurice Akonde and Abiodun Abele, noting that Abele, arrested after selling white heroin to an undercover DEA agent, cooperated with investigation and reviewed further links with the network. In response to the FOIA lawsuit, President Tinubu intervened in October 2023, citing privacy concerns and objecting to the release of confidential tax records and documents from federal law enforcement agencies. Legal analysts say that the ruling could force the release of sensitive documents that have long been the subject of speculation and political controversy in Nigeria. The forfeiture of the $460,000 in 1993 resurfaced during the 2023 Nigerian presidential election as opponents of Tinubu questioned its eligibility. However, Nigeria's election tribunal ultimately dismissed those challenges. You see, Nigerian election tribunal dismissed those challenges, dismissed those claims. Why? Because they must have collected Ghana must go. Well, I don't know how Mr. Tinubu is going to come out of this. That man is not in any way meant to sit in any seat of power in Nigeria. What do you think about today's topic? I'd like for you to respectfully share your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to smash the like button, favorite this video, repost it, and share it with everyone contact that you've got. Until I come your way some other time. See you at the top. You know why? Because the ground is way too crowded.